In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to promote Clickbank products without a website. That's right, you don't need a website, you don't need to create a blog, you don't need to write content and articles. I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can make money with Clickbank by promoting Clickbank products and start to drive traffic and instant traffic. I'm talking about like a switch where you press one switch and the traffic starts to flow in. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything step by step how to promote Clickbank products without a website. 100% beginners friendly. If you've been struggling to make money with Clickbank, if you've been struggling to do affiliate marketing, if you've been failing over and over and over again, then I believe this one video is going to help you. It's going to show you how it works and how you can do it if you have the correct mindset. So let's dive into this video and let me show you step by step how to promote Clickbank products without a website. So first of all, you need to get off to Clickbank. Clickbank has thousands of digital products. We're going to choose one of the digital products to promote. So in this case, I'm just going to go into e-business and e-marketing because e-business, e-marketing is the best niche that has a lot of competition and make money online niche. Okay. Now, even better is the health and fitness, but I'm not into that. It has more competition than the e-business, e-marketing. But I've been with e-business, e-marketing for quite some time, so I will just stick to this e-business, e-marketing. Once you click on e-business, e-marketing, Clickbank is going to come up, spill out with all these products that you're going to see. Okay, so you could just promote any product down here. Just get your affiliate link, start driving some traffic, and for every successful sale you're going to make a commission. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to choose one of the products. Now you could sort out the products by ranking, high to low, average conversions, initial, future billing, gravity, EPC, and conversion rate. We're just going to leave it as it is, high to low, which is low ticket products. Okay, and then if you scroll down, you can see how much commission you're going to get paid. It shows you the earning per click. If you don't understand anything, just hover your mouse and it explains everything. Okay, so let's just choose one good product from here. Okay, and let's see what we can find. So I'm going to keep on scrolling to see if I could find some kind of good product. Okay, I could see one product down here, AI Marketers Club by John Crestani, $821 max order value, 75% rough share. Going to get paid. The initial sale is about $38. So first of all, I'm going to see is I want to see the sales page. So let's just go to the sales page. Super affiliate teaches copy paste FRL formula for using AI to write, post, and monetize faceless content in 7 minutes with high converting affiliate offers, even if you are starting from scratch. Okay, so he's got a very big sales page. The new way AI Marketers Club, the real world tested, the AI promoted framework, engineer from. Okay, so let's see. It's got a very long sales pitch down here. Okay, and he's got a couple of, okay, I could see some couple of well-known names here as well. Some old people, alright, so these are all the old people. I know this person. Okay, he's very old. I know this guy as well. He's been old after quite some time. I'm seeing this guy actually. Alright, let's just see. Okay, we can see some of the top people. Okay, I know this guy, I know this guy. These are like those people who actually were in one of the similar companies that I was in. Alright, so after a very long time I'm seeing these faces. But I'm not going to promote this product. And the reason I'm not promoting this product, just imagine if I was a newbie looking for a way to make money online and I came across this product, would I actually purchase this product? And my answer is no, I wouldn't. John's trainer have been endorsed by top marketing consultant. Okay, so I would not purchase this product. So I just guess my customers are not going to purchase this product. So I'm just going to scroll through and find another product. Okay, Click Wealth System. Okay, what is this? Let's just check this out. It's paying $14. Not a lot of commission. The gravity is very low. But let's just check the sales page out. Click wealth system. Attention, please give me 5 minutes. I will show you how you can generate your first paycheck online. Nope, this is not something that I'm looking for. It seems like a very, very old product, so I'm not into those type of products. Okay, so let me see another one. 2012 resident profit secret. Let's see this. It's paying about $50. The gravity is very low. Alright, make money, more money, or lose everything. Alright, so what is it? Contact the vendor, please contact Clickbank here. Okay, so it's got a video. Okay, read the text. Alright, so just say I want to promote this product. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I am going to actually get my affiliate link. So I'm going to click on get affiliate link. I'm going to come here, I'm going to put in my username. Okay, I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to scroll down, and this is going to be my affiliate link. Okay, and this is where I'm going to drive traffic. So let's create our traffic campaign. This is exactly how to promote Clickbank products without a website. Easy, simple, step by step. Okay, you don't need a website, and I'm showing you exactly how to do it without a website. So now it's time to drive traffic. So for this purpose, I'm going to show you and share one of the top traffic source that top gurus are using. Okay, and that is this traffic source down here. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to create a campaign. So let's just click on add new campaign. I'm going to put here the product name. Okay, and down here you're going to put your Clickbank affiliate link. Okay, so the traffic is going to come directly to the Clickbank affiliate link. A side note, I recommend you create a mini page just like this, okay, which will only take you 5 minutes. You don't need HTML skills to create a page just like this. You can use done for you ready-made templates. Okay, I created this page using a template that I already had given from a software tool. So I just made some edits to it. It took me 5 minutes. You can do this too. Okay, so I recommend creating a small mini page just like this. This is called a squeeze page. Okay, a landing page. Why you want to create a page like this? Because you want to build a list. Okay, so watch when someone comes here, he clicks on this button, he enters his email address. The money is in the list, my friend. 95% of all Clickbank affiliates are making money through the list. Okay, they show you all these other traffic sources and everything. That's great, but they're using those traffic sources to build a list, and then through their list they are making a lot of money on Clickbank. So you need to build a list. Now stay tuned, because I'm going to come up with a complete tutorial and training video on how to build a list, how to create these kind of mini landing pages, how to split test, and what tools and softwares you can use to do this. Okay, but I just want to tell you that if you create a landing page just like this and you're building a list, you are going to be way ahead of those people who are actually driving traffic directly to the Clickbank affiliate link. Okay, so this was just a side note. So let's just get into our video again. So in this case, because this video is all about how to promote Clickbank products without a website, that's why I am sharing you how to do direct linking, which is called the direct linking affiliate method. So you're just going to put your Clickbank affiliate link here. You're going to scroll down, and then you're just going to leave everything as it is, and then allow traffic, block traffic. We're going to leave that as it is. Allow traffic, we're into make money online. Just leave it as it is. Traffic providers, okay. Now, if you're just getting started for the first time, I don't want you to leave this blank. I want you to choose one person and test each person with 100 clicks. Get a notepad, and then every time you test each person with 100 clicks, you want to actually put it in your notepad. Did you get sales or not? And if you're building a list, okay, then you want to put how many subscribers you got. You want to test each person, and then once you have tested each person with 100 clicks, and then after that, what you want to do is you want to come back here and then just select those who gave you the best results with the same Clickbank offer or the same landing page. Remember that this is all about testing. Okay, it's not something that you just want to get crazy and you just want to leave this blank. If you leave this blank, you're going to get traffic from all these people. Now everyone's traffic is different, it's not equal, so you want to test one at a time. Okay, but because I'm giving you this training and I want to help you make money online, I want to see you succeed online, I'm going to give you one of my best person on this traffic source, okay, just to give you a head start. I hope you can appreciate that. So I'm going to give you one of my best person that I've already tested. He's got very good quality traffic, okay, and I have some friends who actually bought traffic from the same person and generated thousands of dollars in commissions with Clickbank. Okay, so let me give you that same guy. Okay, and that is this person here. All right, now I'm not saying that other people are not good. There are some other top-notch people down here as well, but this person is one of my favorite guys that I bought traffic from. Go ahead and you can purchase traffic from this person, okay, as a starter, and then make sure you start testing traffic from others as well with only 100 clicks. Don't get crazy. 100 clicks, get a notepad, start documenting everything, how much clicks, and then whichever one's the best one, you want to stick to that. Okay, then you want to leave everything as it is, but remember, this is a very important part. Okay, this is where people get it wrong. If you leave this blank, you're going to get traffic from all this, okay, and you're not going to get any sales, any conversions, any leads. We just want email clicks, that's all. Okay, so select email clicks. Now if you look under the right hand side, it's telling us based on your current targeting, there are 3,109 clicks available per day at a cost of 13 cents to 1.12 cents. Okay, $1.12. All right, so why is it so cheap? Okay, this is why it's so cheap. Countries, don't keep it empty. You don't want worldwide traffic. We only want tier 1 traffic, okay? So English tier 1 countries, I just forgot that. Now it's going to get expensive. There you go. Based on your current targeting, there are 2,781 clicks available per day at a cost of 39 cents to $1.12 per click. That's great. That's what I want, okay? Now we're going to do 39 cents here because that's what it said. Okay. 39 cents, yep. Warning, with your current max CPC bid, you will likely not receive any traffic. Okay, let's just do 41. Okay, let's do 50. Okay, because I'm looking at the right hand side to see, okay. Let's do 45. Because we did. Let's do 44. Let's do 43. As you see, I'm writing down here and you can see the right hand side is reflecting how many clicks available per day. That's what I'm looking for, okay? So you could see 42. Alright, so there you go. You can get at best 339 clicks per day. I'm happy with that, okay? So I'm going to do 442 cents per click. That's the max I'm willing to pay. I'm not willing to pay more than that. Total budget stop campaign when we keep empty for unlimited. Nope. I'm going to do total budget is $50, okay, and I'm going to do $10 daily, so I don't get crazy. I want to do testing, okay. And then as you can see, if I just scroll back up and then we see everything is looking good. Make money online, Canada, Australia, all right. Okay, traffic providers, okay, I wonder it was very cheap. Let me just go back and let me go to this person. This is it, yep. Okay, I'm going to come back and then your total budget for the maximum $100 per day at the maximum per click. Let's just do 60 cents. I know this is a bit expensive. Okay, what about if I do 80 cents? Okay, based on your current targeting. Okay, it should reflect. Let's just keep it to 42 cents. I don't know why it's not reflecting, but it should reflect on the right hand side. For some reason it's not. Okay, So let's just keep it as it is, okay, because I know everything is just fine. I don't know, for some reason there must be a glitch. Okay, so now once you have done this, okay, you want to go to smooth or accelerate. Just keep it smooth at the beginning, okay, and just click on save campaign. Once you have saved your campaign, all right, what you want to do is you want to come here and add funds, okay. Once you add funds, your traffic is immediately going to start, and this is how to promote Clickbank products without a website.